Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the yarn over slip stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the slip stitch, and the single crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to start making yarn over slip stitches. Yarn over your hook 1 time, insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn you're working with and pull it through that chain. So now you'll have 3 loops. You're going to take this loop that you just pulled through the 2 loops that you already have on your hook. So you're going to take this one and bring it through those 2 loops. And that's going to be the yarn over slip stitch. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You'll have 3 loops. Take that new loop that you just pulled up through the 2 loops that you already had on your hook to make that yarn over slip stitch. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up that loop, having 3 loops now. Take that loop you just pulled up through the existing 2 loops on your hook to make that yarn over slip stitch. And that's how those stitches are looking. You're now going to repeat making a yarn over slip stitch into each chain until you reach the last chain of this row. When you reach the last chain of this row, work 1 single crochet into that last chain to complete row 1. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Row 2 is going to be the same as row 1. We're just going to be working into stitches instead of chains. So you're going to start your row with a single crochet, which means you will end your row with a single crochet. That's going to stay the same. Now we're going to start working yarn over slip stitches again into each stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You'll have 3 loops. Take that loop that you just pulled up through the previous 2 loops that you had on your hook to complete that yarn over slip stitch. Now you're going to make a yarn over slip stitch into each stitch across until you reach the last stitch of this row. Once you reach the end of this row and you only have 1 stitch left, work 1 single crochet into that last stitch to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. and that is going to be how to make the yarn over slip stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.